Hey everyone, it is Jennifer from DP Addiction Adventures, and I am so glad that you're here because we have Harmonic Honey Bee. Yes, by T.S. Larkin. We are going to unbox this beauty, which is a square. It's got 73 colors, 2 ABs, and 3 fairy dust. And it's 65 centimeters by 65 centimeters, which is 25.6 inches by 25.6 inches. Now, T.S. Larking, when I looked him up on Diamond Art Club to see what other beauties he has, because this is my first one, I realized in my wish list I had Desert Rising, which is the big, beautiful balloon in the desert with gorgeous colors, and it's in my wish list. I want to know what's in your wish list because almost all of his products are sold out, or all of his images are sold out. So this is a wish list must. Now, before we unbox it, I have a thing about bees. Now, I am not allergic to them with the EpiPen type allergic, but I am allergic enough that I swell up to like 5 times the size of anything. And one time while I was trying to get tan to go to the prom, I'm going to open this while I'm talking to you. Sorry, my brain's going everywhere. My mom said that I could go to the tanning bed and only for a certain amount of times out. However, because I was paying for it for myself, I actually bought double the package that she approved me of. So after I did the number that she said that I could, I am not a good liar. I decided to squeeze these in between like practice or between school events, different things like that, because the tanning place was right down the street from our house. However, I'm thinking to myself, it's right down the street. It's not going to take a lot of time. But I forgot that you actually have to do the time of the tanning. Well, while I am tanning, evidently there is a bee that is in the room that I'm tanning. And lo and behold, I got stung when I went to grab to open the tanning bed. I got stung on my middle finger and it started swelling up and it literally, I could not bend it. Okay. And this was back in the day when I am a goody two shoe. I did not know much about the middle finger and giving the bird. So on the way home, I am driving with my finger straight up because I can't bend it. And I'm flipping everybody off and I'm getting people flipping me off back, honking of the horn. I was devastated. And then my mom's like, well, where did you get stung by a bee? I can't lie. I don't know how to make things up so quickly. And then my face turns red and I'm like, whoa, 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 whoa. And then I forget what I said 5 minutes ago. So then the lies are never consistent. So I just decide that I ended up lying to her, but it wasn't very good. So I think she knew. I haven't ever asked her, but we will see. Okay, so I'm going to flip the camera around and you're going to be able to see what I'm doing because you're probably like, girlfriend, enough of the bee story. Let's dive into T.S. Larking. I'll be back. Okay, so we are diving in. It was in this beautiful box. We're going to take out the toolkit. We're going to take out the thank you. And we're going to see what is going on here. Okay, so we're going to open the package, pull out the patent lint canvas. Okay, and here's the toolkit. Everybody that I know knows about toolkits, but just in case you're new to the party, we want to be considerate. So here is your stackable tray. It comes with your pink wax. Your 7 placer is hiding inside. You have a removable stopper, and then this slides over for when you shaky. You also are going to get a clear putty. You're going to get 15 baggies. And then you're going to get your applicating pen, which is already pre-filled, single placer. It's got your 4 placer on this side. However, you can remove it and put whatever placer you want there. And that's that. Okay. Then you've got your thank you. in your thank you, we are so excited to open it because inside is the treasure card. How beautiful is this Harmonic Honey Bee by T.S. Larking? Absolutely gorgeous. It is bronze, which it tells you on the back. As you collect these, you'll understand the point system. Then you have your Diamond Art Club sticker on the back. You've got your sticker here with your start date, all the information that you need for your canvas. And then here are your stickers if you want to kit up in your baggies or in plastic containers. That's here for you. And as we talked about, it's got 73 colors, and out of the 73, there's 2 ABs and 3 fairy dust. So we're going to check this out. So amazing. And then you've got your serged edges right here to keep your canvas from unraveling. Also here you can see that there's these gray perforated lines. That's so that you can undo your clear plastic that's covering your poured glue. And it's in a 4x4 square, so you can decide where you want this to be cut or not cut. It is self-flattening, so take your time. It takes about 5 to 10 minutes, or you can roll it backwards because it is poured glue. You're not going to hurt your canvas. Look at this stunning rendering of this. This is what I love about the hand charting that Diamond Art Club does. It just gives so much justice to the artist. So we're going to come back a little bit so we can see. Yeah, there we go. Absolutely beautiful. I'm hoping that this bee did not sting me because this bee is stunning. Absolutely stunning. Let's get up close and personal with the image so that you can see right there. You can see how, even in the dark areas, how clear the symbols are. Okay, and you've got your key in the upper left and in the bottom right. You also have a picture of the pasting area. Normally these thumbnails are best for when it's a partial because then you can see the white area where the drills don't go. It also shows you the name of the artist, who produced it, the size, and the SKU number in case your canvas gets separated from anything. Then here are the drills, and the drills, whoops, move my camera on me, have the SKU number and Harmonic Honey Bee labeled so that you are good to go. I'm going to pause and then we're going to be right back. I'm going to take these out of the container. Okay, can you believe that this canvas has 0310 in it? I'm telling you, I'm not lying. You're going to have to buy it and make sure. But we're going to go through this and you're going to see it has 0310. But it has so many dark colors to give it that depth that the light colors are going to be absolutely stunning. All right, so here we go. Here, let's see what we can find. It looks like most of the dark colors are the 3371, which is what's going to give you that beautiful depth. And we've got 3 of the 939. Here's our first fairy dust. Such a full packet. Remember, it is square. Fairy dust has a mica powder on it, which is kind of like a silver or shimmer versus a sparkle. And it's 744, which is the down arrow, and that is mostly in his body. There's some in this intricate filigree feel up here, and then there's also some over here in the lighter wing of the two. And then of course there's some down here in this filigree with the bubbles or the jewels. All right, we're gonna go, keep moving. Absolutely gorgeous. I love these colors. They're just, they feel so true to the DMC. They're vibrant and without being obtrusive. All right, here's 3810. It's our first AB, which has more of a sequence shimmer to it. Let's look and see where that is. All right, so that is here in a lot of these bubbles or gems, whatever you want to call them. And then I believe there's a bunch, yep, up here in the filigree area to give it that sparkle that you know you're looking for in a diamond painting. This is absolutely stunning. Here's our other AB, 603. I didn't know this had pink in it, but of course, here are the roses, and it outlines the roses on both sides, and then here in some of the bubbles or the gems. Okay, we're getting there. We're getting there. 72 or 73 beautiful colors. What is your favorite color palette? Let me know down below. 3608 is the fairy dust. That is A. Let's see here. That is somewhere in the bubbles right here, in the bubbles right here, and then up top above his head in the bubble as well, and a little bit in his wing right here. We're going to keep going. There's some purple. I mean, this has all the spread of the colors. You wouldn't think so, but as we're going through it, so many different variety of color. Okay, I believe this is our last train. So beautiful. Here we go. We're looking, I think, for our last. Yep, fairy dust. So there's that 907 green. It gives it that shimmer. It's a heart. And where is green hiding? You would never, okay, over here. It doesn't look necessarily green on the screen, but here's green and green. It's all in here. You wouldn't think it, but they got it in. They got it in. Well, the artist did. All right, I lied. There's 3 more left right here. There you go. All right, so this is absolutely stunning. Put it on your wish list. I know it's sold out at the time of this video, but please put it on your wish list because this is something that you want right away, and Diamond Art Club is doing a great job of restocking. So grab it, grab it, grab it, and mark it with a heart. So until next time, be blessed. Take care. Love you all. Bye-bye.